Hello everyone and welcome to the new tutorial series of mathematics. So without wasting any time, let's begin today's topic, which is about solving simultaneous linear equations by cross multiplication. In this video we will completely discuss the process of cross multiplication, so stay connected. So in all we have four methods to solve simultaneous linear equations, which are: first, substitution method; second, elimination method; and third, cross multiplication method; and fourth, we have graphical method. So we are today seeing cross multiplication method. So let's see. Consider a system of equations like a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. And for unique solutions, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Okay, now the solution of the above two equations will be given by the solution formula, which is xy b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to y by a1 c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Okay, now let's see how we can use this formula. Suppose we have two equations, the first one as 2x plus 3y equal to 13 and the second one as x plus 4y equal to 14. Now the first step we will do is to convert these equations in the standard form. The standard form is a1x plus b1y plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are constants and x and y are variables. So the equations will be 2x plus 3y minus 13 is equal to 0 and x plus 4y minus 14 is equal to 0. Now in the first equation we have a1 is equal to 2, which is the constant part, and b1 is equal to 3 and c1 is equal to minus 13, and x and y are variables. And similarly in the equation 2 we have a2 equal to 1, b2 equal to 4 and c2 equal to minus 14. You can have the summary in the given table on the right side. Now in the second step we would simply put all the variables in their respective location of the solution formula. So the expression would be x by 3 into minus 14 minus 4 into minus 13 is equal to y by minus 13 into 1 minus minus 14 into 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into 4 minus 1 into 3. On further simplification, at last we would get x equal to 10 by 5 and y equal to 15 by 5. So x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. So in this way we can solve simultaneous linear equation by cross multiplication method. Since the solution formula is a little bit confusing for remember, so we can remember the solution formula by the diagram. As you can see, for remembering this diagram you have to make 3 columns, one of x, second of y and third of 1, and 2 rows, each of equation 1 and equation 2. Now enter all the constant terms in the sequence BCAV. As you can see, I have entered all the constant terms of a standard equation. Now by cross multiplication between upper and lower constant terms of each equation, you can get the solution formula. Since the downward arrows are multiplied first and from this the product of upward arrow constants are subtracted, so b1 multiplied by c2 minus b2 multiplied by c1, keeping all this term in the denominator of x, which is the numerator, equal to y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So from the above diagram we can have the solution formula very easily. Now let's see the derivation of the solution formula. So for this, suppose we have two equations. The first one has a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and the second one as a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. These both are standard forms of simultaneous linear equations but with different constant terms. Now for eliminating y from the given equations, we multiply equation 1 by b2 and equation 2 by b1. and on subtracting both the equations we get a1b2 minus a2b1 into x equal to b1c2 minus b2c1, and therefore x equal to b1c2 minus b2c1 by a1b2 minus a2b1. All the ABC terms are constants. Okay, now in the second step, for eliminating x term we multiply equation 2 by a1 and equation 1 by a2, and similarly on subtracting we get a1b2 minus a2b1 into y equal to c1a2 minus c2a1. Therefore y equal to c1a2 minus c2a1 by a1b2 minus a2b1. Thus x equal to this and y equal to this. Now since both have equal denominators, so we can write the above result as the solution formula. So as you can see, we have derived the solution formula from the given two equations. Now there are some rules for performing this cross multiplication method. In the remembering diagram, the numbers with upward arrows are multiplied first, and from the product of these two numbers, the product of the numbers with downward arrow are subtracted. Never perform opposite subtraction or opposite multiplication. That will be wrong. Okay? Thanks for watching. If you liked our video, then please like and share it and subscribe our channel. Thank you.